Good morning, folks. Mr. Garry here from GBL, the Ole Church, 5-acre homestead. New location for our TGIF Friday video today. I'm on our brand new, recycled, reclaimed, repurposed, reusable, whatever you want to call it, deck right here at the Ole Church. I'm going to spin around the camera and show you this brand new deck. We're very, very proud of it. This is our new deck, folks, and it does look quite smart, I must say. All reusable, all reclaimed, all repurposed, and I think Miss Betty, actually, who did all of the staining and all of the painting, did a fantastic job. And here she is, folks. Here's Miss Betty. Here's my one and only, my Lady Gaga, working right hard, staining the deck. And if she knew she was being recorded, if she knew she was on film, she would probably take some of that stain and throw it over me. She's not very pleased there now, I can tell you that. But all jokes aside though, folks, Miss Betty did do a terrific job painting the rails white and staining the deck. We were able to match the stain with the siding on the Ole Church. So we are very pleased, I must say, and it does look quite smart, quite clever. Do you agree? And just think, folks, this is a recycled deck. This is a deck that Mr. Garry was able to get from a house that was being sold in the town of Gander, and the deck needed to be removed. And myself and Mr. Devon, we went there with tools in hand, and we removed this deck, and we brought it here to the Ole Church on a flatbed trailer, and we assembled it. And now Miss Betty is staining it and painting it and all that kind of stuff. A little while ago, I was able to pressure wash the boards and all that first. And there is a couple of videos on our YouTube channel about that, so go check that out. A couple of things here on the outdoor patio furniture. This is an unboxing that I started a few days ago. This is a landscape light kit from Garden-Reet. Part 1 is up on our channel, so go check that out. These are great landscape lights, in my opinion, folks, and we're going to be using them here at the Ole Church. I'll be doing part 2 very soon, and these lights will be going right here at the Ole Church, and they'll add safety, and they'll add security, and they'll add some beauty and show off the beauty of this old building. Now, also in this tall box right here, this is going to be an unboxing as well. This came a little while ago as well. In that box, folks, I'll give you I'll tell you exactly what it is. It is a pallet buster. It might even be a ball buster, I don't know, but anyway, that's funny. But it is a pallet buster because Mr. Garry has lots and lots of pallets, and I'm going to be using that to take apart some of the pallets that we're going to be using for kindling this coming winter. And I'm going to unbox that, and I'm going to show you exactly how a pallet buster works. So there's a couple of things coming up on our channel very soon. But I'm going to take you down off the patio in a second and show you something else, something that is quite a surprise, and I think you're going to like it. Now, before I do though, I want to show you this length of fencing right here. This is a short length of fencing that I'm going to be transforming very soon into a gate. Miss Betty ordered a gate kit, which is the metal brackets and the latch and the hinges and all that kind of stuff, on Amazon a few days ago. And it does look something like what's in this particular photo. I do believe it's already here, so I have to go to Gander later today and pick up that and transform this length of fencing into a gate. So I'm just going to move it to the side for now. Walk with me back this way, because I want to show you something back here. My son Devon is home from working way up north, and him and I, we have been quite busy doing a lot of work with the Ole Church. As you can see, we have put on a lot of siding. There was an old step right here and an old board and batten wooden door that brought us into the woods room right here. And this is that old board and batten door. So that's all gone now. That's been transformed. And if we come around Here's the excitement. Here's what I wanted to show you. Look at this. Look what Mr. Garry and Mr. Devon did over the last couple of days. We've installed a small garage door in the back part of the old vestry, the old woods room. And just yesterday, this wall had siding and a window. And we're going to be putting a ramp coming out across there so we can cart firewood into the woods room for burning. So that was the purpose for putting in that small. That's a 5x6 small garage door. So there you have it. Quite the door, I do think. Let me get in and see if I can move it up a little bit so you can get a look at the woods room now. There's the woods room, all cleaned out. It needs flooring. We're going to put on some more of those sheets of Meranti board over here. That's where the door was. Got that all boarded up and all closed in. So we'll take care of that over the next couple of days. Coming up in some future videos as well, folks, I'm going to share some ideas with you now. All of that siding has to come off, and we're going to be continuing. With the back of this building over the next couple of weeks. We're putting on the 1-inch styrofoam installation. We've got a couple of pieces on there now. We did that yesterday. All of these windows, they have to come out and they're going to be reused and repurposed for something. Maybe they'll end up in a greenhouse. Maybe we'll figure something out. They're certainly not going to be thrown out or taken to the landfill. Certainly not. Mr. Garry will be reusing them for sure. So we're going to be finishing the back of the old church over the next little while. So stay tuned for a few more videos showcasing the back of the old church. So that's a lot of things that has been happening here at the old church that I wanted to share with you in this TGIF, in this Friday video. A beautiful, beautiful morning here in Gander. There's the old St. David's Cemetery, folks. My grandparents are right over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Right over there toward the fence is my grandmother and grandfather. They're buried over there. Beautiful, beautiful morning. It's early here now. It is around 8 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is rising in the east up over the cemetery, and it was set, of course, over the western and over the ocean, which is out this way. And you've seen lots and lots of sunsets on our YouTube channel. There's the new barn. Once we get the old church finished with siding, we're going to be working over there and getting some siding put on the new barn, and we also got to get a door put right here in front. So we'll be doing that over the next little while. So like I said, folks, lots happening here at GBL, the Old Church 5-Acre Homestead, and I want to thank you for tuning in and watching all of our videos. That's very, very important. We do appreciate the thumbs up. We appreciate all the likes. We appreciate all the comments, and I answer every single one of those comments. I do. Now, you have a blessed Friday. Enjoy the weekend and enjoy the coming week, and we'll see you in another video, I'm sure, very, very soon. We've got several unboxings coming up, as I said, several more projects to do here at the old church. We've got to get more siding off. We've got to get windows installed. We've got to get a patio door put in. We've got to do all of that. And all of that has to be done before the snow flies. And we've got a lot of wood to get delivered and sawed up and put in that new woods room right there. So we'll be doing all of that very, very soon. Like I said, though, you have a blessed weekend, folks. And we'll see you very, very soon. Mr. Garry signing out. Take care, folks. Now let's go back up over that patio once more. It does look quite neat, doesn't it? I need a couple of rails here too. I'll be getting the rails on both sides of this just to make it easier for going up and down. There is a need for safety, so we'll get a couple of rails put on that. I'll probably do that when I'm at that gate. And that gate is going to be done for the next couple of days. For now, though, I'll just put them back right there, like that. And for now, we've been putting this tote up next to it so the dogs don't get out. There you go, folks.